Hi guys, so welcome back with part 2 of this video. It looks like everything came in the box, very well packaged. It says chin here, so there you go. It has some kind of instruction here. I think probably the better instructions would be online for this product. But what it is something that's supposed to help you if you have issues with snoring. You can put this on your nose in a specific spot and use this chin guard here, and it should stop you from snoring. Now, I don't have that problem yet, but you know, you never know. You never know when it's going to start. So it's good to learn how to try these things ahead of time so that when you do get the problem, you can fix it. Here we go. So anyway, a snore device, or at least a device that stops you from snoring. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Likey.